In this video we are going to define the types of trackers we are going to work with in the project. To do this, we run the types of trackers command, and with the insert button we start creating them. We initially assign the make and model, as well as the initials. We also set the number of panels. Click on the select button and choose the tracker in the drawing, so that we get its dimensions in plan and color. Next, we define the poles. In this case we will assign a constant distance distribution, indicating the number and distances to the sides of the tracker. We then proceed to create another tracker in the same way. And we finish with the third type of tracker that we are going to use. Trackers are common to all projects, so the catalog can be progressively expanded.